Today we're in Parottee, St. Elizabeth, the community that took the full force of Hurricane Melissa, a place squeezed between the sea and a massive pond. And now both have swallowed the land whole. Homes still sitting in the sea, wall eaten away by erosion, yards turned into swamps, debris scattered everywhere you look, and the mosquitoes, them attack non-stop. To move through this community, we literally had to walk inside a pond. The same pond that's home to dozens of crocodiles, just to get to the other side of the road. People here are still trying to understand the scale of what happened. And as if the destruction wasn't enough, there's an unconfirmed report that a body might still be missing somewhere in the waters. Parottee, St. Elizabeth, raw, unfiltered, and fighting to recover. Let's take a walk through what's left.
See that the villa door, them broke glass door, them bust up.
Oh, see that done there, sir? Everybody have to try to rebuild now. Look how close, so the sea there right there, sir?
The guy that owns some house.
The sea is right there, and the lake is right there. So everything merged into one. Look at that. Right now, I don't even know how to start that video. I have to just dive right into it. We are in, what them call right this again?
Parottee.
Parottee?
Parottee. P-A-R-O-T-T-E-E.
Parottee. Alright. Parottee, St. Elizabeth. This is the road that people normally come to go to Pelican Bar. So most people know Pelican Bar, this is the area. And this is the house of, what your name?
Nesbeth Daily.
Nesbeth Daily.
Yeah.
And she tell me, say the house, tell me, I say, which house? Because
this house is for Jerome Williams.
the dog again, I see.
Huh?
What's name? What's your name?
The dog.
Yeah.
We don't give no name, so we
No
just
name?
call me.
Nice one. I'm smiling. I have to see you. I have to come back with some dog food. I should never I don't know why I never flash to me and forget the dog food, you know. Come bring some dog food. Alright. Are you there right here while the hurricane are going?
No, I did have to move to a higher ground.
Oh, because the raise the water come in?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Can you tell me, see the house, tell me, I say which house you talk about? Because this is not one house right now. Whoa.
But this is my nephew house.
Yeah, oh, this
house.
is your neighbor house. Backside. No, man. I feel like I go outside that different place and explore and show the people them who are going. But this is on a different level. Fabian.
House, bro.
Yeah, tell me something not see now yet. I couldn't feel what you say until I come see it now for myself.
Say me there, so me heart broken, me have to just walk and me can't take it. Look in our house, bro.
Now that I come see it for myself, I say, yo.
The sea park in the house and wash out the furniture, then mash up everything and then broke off the house, bro.
Look at that, fish. Oh, that, a saltwater fish that?
Yeah.
Fresh water.
And I see water this.
In the house right now.
Sea water this, a salt water this.
See, I'm jump them now. Make somebody to catch you from over there.
Chicken and bathroom.
Yeah.
All the bathtub full of sand everywhere. Oh my word, watch on.
No, man. Whoa.
See, man fix them up, you know.
Yeah.
Mind drop in, baby. Mind drop.
Oh, yeah, man.
Come on, see what a normal thing. This is a Parottee.
Parottee.
Yeah.
Parottee District.
Black River.
Black River, St. Elizabeth.
So you fall at Black River, you go over the bridge and just travel along the seaside. So once you look at the graves in the water.
Look at that. There's a lot of fishes right here.
Memories and things.
Oh, look at that. Me have to walk around there. How much one they say I know? May I come?
No,
show them the grave for me.
crazy.
Fabian, I never know where I never feel it until I'm there now.
I tell you, man.
Look at the graves right there.
Them people
Now I understand why them build a grave like that.
no,
In case something like this happen, everything's still enclosed.
I said, I don't know what to say. Can I house? Which house stand up?
Fabian, I can just come to that.
Again, I've been here.
Yeah.
The last words, bro. Right now, this Stephen, what we turn up on and not safe in the bro, because see all them part they pop off.
Oh, yeah, you can drop down anytime.
Anything is possible. Even what we stand up on right now, we don't know sturdy right or something.
Yeah.
thing, but what am I gonna do? This is right.
Alright, people. Let's go around to our next house. Like, I still cannot believe this, I say right now. I still cannot believe this. Still can't believe this. Like, I am so in shock. Oh. Look on the light post. Look right here, sir. Look at that. Can't believe it. I couldn't imagine being down here in my house while this are going. I can't imagine that.
This is where I live.
You will live right there, sir. Oh, you live over here, sir. You live over here, sir.
Right there, so I did right. This is my house, there.
What? Wait, what on there?
Right there, so my house.
No, man. Fabian. Oh, see there, say no.
Hmm?
No. Can't believe it. I'm thinking I'm gully or a bridge there, sir.
Come on, see me black them here. Look at my house.
This one here black them. See there? This one of the old time marble black tile. Oh. No, man, I can't imagine this. A good thing you leave then, a good thing you follow your mind and leave.
I'm not dead. She come call me.
Yeah.
To go up on higher ground.
A good thing she tell you.
I'm dead.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I not even know the house there, so I swear.
All me say tea, me no see me say tea them. All them the things they promise for mine, you know.
Oh, some of your things, debris from your house over there, sir.
See me fridge there.
Yeah.
One on my fridge.
One in your fridge right there, sir, and the next one over there, sir.
4 fridge, me have fish and chicken.
Yeah.
Everything gone. Everything. 1.5 frack of save. 1 frack and 1 skirt.
That's how you could have hold in your hand down.
See me flip them there.
Oh yeah. See, look at that. Everything here scattered all over the place. Some of all the clothes there. You address that? See, same thing there. And nothing, you couldn't salvage nothing. You have to just run out.
These are my clothes. Sheet, curtain, runner, everything.
Yeah.
Bag.
See our clothes them here.
Paper bag this.
Our clothes. And which part of your dog? You bring your dog with you or you just come back come see him?
Me come back, come see them.
Well, I'm glad them survive.
Me lose me goat them.
Oh, you goat them because goat can't really swim. The dog can swim and he can catch up somewhere. Thank God them can do that. Yeah, no.
Pirate this year.
Okay. Yeah, no, I can't be, still.
You see that something I'm in your bag. All the bag with our money, you know.
Oh, so you have bag with money over here same way?
Every day I hit to come and look.
Okay.
I hit to come and look for
So
everything.
open and find it, you know?
If we could have seen it.
Yeah, people, so every day them come, them have a bag, she have a bag with money, where she have to run out left. Most you get to walk with it, but they know you have to run out.
Our documents, them,
And-
everything.
So right now, all that the under the ground right now, you know the debris. Hopefully, we'll find it back. Hopefully them find it back. You know? Right now them people have to start over. No documents. Right now, under existing system because you don't have no paper. If someone send money to you, you can't get the money. You can't get money.
Can't get me.
No man. I never see this in my life. And all the graves them over there, so come right up out of the ground. Look at that. Alright, here is a better view from the beach side. So this right here used to be a house. Not sure what it used to look like, but everything is like the water decided to alright. We're gonna take this house right here and just mash it off gone. See there? All this right there, so house be there right here. Now everything is gone. Wow. And a good thing she follow her friend and leave because the house with a machine with her gone. See all the dog over there, so going in the water. By now, them used to the water. And afraid of the water because them did have to swim in the night as well. But God, them survive. People, if you want to come back on a special mission for the animals only, the dogs, especially the dogs. Well, the dogs. If you want to see me come, I'm not saying cats, so mainly dogs. If you want to see me come back on a special mission for the animals, let me know in the comment section. Come out and just come out with dog food and just supply the different homes with dog food to feed them. Because the dog, the maga, I look on him right now. Look on him in the water, in my bed, and I enjoy the water. And I cool down himself, by himself. Right now, I don't have no water. I vex some in the water and a dog food. Definitely have to come back with that. So, what's your name again?
Nesbet Daily.
Yeah, Nesbet Daily.
Me I beg you for help. I lose everything.
Yeah.
Beg you for help me.
You have phone?
Yes.
Tell me a number. Alright. 876-440-6040.
Yes. Yes.
Nesbet
Daily.
Daily. Yeah man, this is her, well, this used to be her home. Cause you keep it and say, see her house there. I mean I say, which house? Everything gone. There's no house. Just the debris. Yo, this look like it's a bomb drop by your place.
Tell you, man.
If you take a picture and send to somebody and tell them say water do that, then I tell you say a lie you tell.
There was no water here. There was no water.
Yeah.
There was no water here.
And
After the hurricane this happened.
oh
That was the beach.
yeah.
The sea.
Yeah. So right now them come I try to find the bag. And but even know, cause when you can't move them thing here, them too heavy. Huh? Yeah man, our John. Why? I feel well right now I don't know how you cope. I don't know how me would have cope.
Every day we come, we are looking if we could have find our document them. The bag with our document them and our money. Every day we come.
I hope them they under them something here.
That's what I'm saying.
I hope them they under here so. So one day, if we don't have a jackhammer, we come dig up this. Or a tractor, come dig up and take time and dig up and try to find the documents.
Over here, same practice.
Yeah, I'm hoping pull through.
Because
Because
we just believe so them under here. So if people don't come and take you up, we just believe say under the rocks.
yeah. Alright. Can't believe it. It's like a bomb drop right here, so. Sometimes I say it's like when the storm pass, it's like earthquake, tsunami, tornado, and bomb drop one time.
One time, brother.
See how the dog right there, so I not even did notice him.
Yeah, two of them see it.
Yeah. I said the grave over there, so one of them are your sister.
Yeah, the first one, I'm a sister.
Yeah.
The next one, I'm a mother. Piece of the headstone, me find it out there, so me have it, me leave it out there, so.
Okay.
The next one, I'm a nephew. I see the one return, and my niece, she just buried.
Yeah.
A 2 year now.
Oh, wow.
And the one behind, I'm a brother-in-law.
And I'm a daughter, I know.
Oh,
Your
okay.
daughter.
Okay. Jano. So people, if you can support them, she really need the help. As I can say, she don't have nothing.
I mean,
Reach out.
She's still with me now.
She have to stay with
And firstly, what happened?
yeah.
I took them to the shelter. And after hearing about what happened,
Yeah.
somebody came and told them few sheet and zinc drop off.
Yeah.
And another guy come and say, a lie man, not go so you lose the whole house.
Mm.
And you see funny hear it, you know, and get a stroke immediately.
You got.
The husband. If you bring him to Mandeville Hospital,
Yeah.
he stayed there for 8 days and then he come home. So they stay with me now.
Jano. Because I'm that shocked too as well. Imagine a house
Yeah,
where
man,
we
it's
spend
shock.
much time I build up and I take care of.
This is a 4-bedroom house.
Only for here say everything gone.
4-bedroom house, 2 bathroom, 2 veranda.
Yeah. Yeah man, so to everybody I watch, if you feel kind enough in your heart, you have it, when you can try to support them, tell me the address for you. So, alright. I'm already getting the number already. So the number on the screen, I add it to the description too. Try reach out to them, give them a call. Any assistance at all you can help them with, they would appreciate it, you know. Because as I can see, there's nothing. And
Another number.
the next number you can call is
350-4422.
alright, and 1876 at the front.
Yes.
Alright, good. Yeah, man. Take time, my job. So right now, as them say, every day them come, I try to look for you.
If you could have find the yellow bag.
Yeah.
With all the documents, them and our money.
Yeah. And them alone, them have no young bull like me for do that. So them have to try a thing.
The husband can't hardly walk.
Yeah. Alright. So we go. Yo! Oh wait, that's a O.
You know one of my brethren when dive Portland.
Yeah.
We call him Mermaid. In cane room, I build a house.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I'll show you him.
Yeah, that's what show me. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. We get licked bad in a Parottee here. We get bad, man. Me don't want to put down Jamaica, but the place look like Haiti.
Yeah.
It's terrible. And we don't have no big leader if step up and even help my auntie if get back a house. Or help her if get dump up the place. We don't have no big leader. It's like Jamaica. We put people in place, but when time come, the pressure come upon them fall up. They can't come to the point of duty where them get the job done. We still don't have a road. And we barely get drinking and bathing water around here. And a lot of people lose them house. Some people homeless. And problems and things like those need to fix because we are human and we live in a Jamaica. And this is a big tourist industry place and a big fishing industry place. And it's like, me don't know if they just take we off our map and then no forget we. And that's how me feel.
Yeah.
It's hard around here, man. It's hard.
I see it for myself now.
See, there are two taxi around. Nobody now
and usually me have video, before and after video, me come in so.
Alright.
And carry up on the road and we go Pelican bar and I enjoy
the
things.
The house demolish. My family them grave and something in the water.
Yeah.
I give you a close up if you want.
Come, no, me walk go around there a while ago, man.
Okay.
But yeah, man.
Auntie Chris, you no good.
Yeah, man, just talk to them and thing. No, man, I couldn't believe it.
Yeah, man.
Look at that.
Terrible, man. If people when we are put in a charge for Jamaica, we need to reevaluate them. My personal opinion. For how much weeks now since the storm passed?
1 month and about 3, about 1 month and 3 days.
And I don't see no big leaders or politicians and people may put to better us. Me don't see nobody.
Yeah.
Even Uno come, me don't see no Glean and me don't see no CVM TV.
Yeah.
Me don't see no TVJ. And people like Uno and help we are spread the message.
You know, so I hope that we get in the comment section, they must say, they don't see them thing up on the news, you know.
No, because them a hide it from Uno. They don't want to show us that people out here is real life facing it. Real life. You have to understand it. If people like world food, we have to big up world food.
Yeah,
kitchen.
man, big up them.
And so rich people, if I never them, no for we eat sand, brother. For we not fishing and we not bring the Pelican tour. That's how we depend upon. Half of us don't know nothing else.
Right.
And that's how we sort of income. Fishing or you bring tourists go Pelican bar. Nobody else don't know nothing else.
Right.
And then you have fish vendors. This is where we here and we do for a living. And we just need some more assistance or help, man. We are Jamaican, you know, man. And around here, some paradise.
Around here, yo. Me last time I come on here, and me and Jamaica walk by.
Yes.
I will come on here, around here pretty, I look on the house, them, I will explore.
I'm telling them, say, boy, I need to come do a walk around and show them what I go on.
Yeah, man. Every angle.
Brother.
No, man. Me have to go flash look behind before and after. I didn't even remember me record the road, but
yeah.
road is pretty.
Pretty, yeah, man. Nice, man. You know, see some of my house, them have to tilt your head back, man.
Yeah. Backside.
Let me get the shit. Now turn off the vehicle.
No, man, the vehicle good. Oh, that's why I left it? Alright. The rest of this Fabian. Okay. Whoa. Look on them big pig here. Whoa. All the pig them survive. All, you know, so enough people pig not survive.
Yeah, left back with one.
Oh, one of the pig left back.
How many have 5 dogs? Normally you could walk and say a
What type of dog do you have?
big dog.
What them there?
Regular mongrel dog. See the
Them not there. John, no, the dog them never.
Where do you take a guy mechanic? Engine sees up.
Boat engine.
Boat engine 75. I'm a boat up there, so it bust up. Me have a show on that. My boat bust up.
Yeah. Oh, you walk with it?
Yeah, man. Me have a show.
Alright.
Man, me don't know. Living on the beach is nice, but
Until.
the disaster come. When the disaster come, it's hard because I'm a young fisherman, you know. And I bring tourists, see them to Pelican bar. But you see, where reality right now, me realize in Jamaica, we don't have the money or financial, it's hard to get to the next level.
Yeah.
For you face this time, but when it's time to build back financial, you need the live cash. To buy the equipment and fix up the boat and fix the engine. So a lot of these times, I think the politician would have jump in and say, oh, they're going to help we guys build back or get back on our feet. Me not see none of them. And I don't like me, I tell lie. If you don't believe me, when we go down there, ask at least 5 people who you see from politician that we vote for. If you don't believe me.
And that's a good thing we walk through.
Yes.
A long time before walk through.
See the sand when me throw, see the sand when me dig out of my mother house. See the sand. Me not lie to you. This never there, so this come out I see.
All them things come out of the sea. Right over.
Me see Andrew. I go to the Maroons. Me respect the Maroons them, you know. But what about me? Me a Jamaica too. You fi come a Parottee. Because the Maroons them have them name and people influence them. Yeah, come a Parottee too. Come a Parottee. We need you know, yes, man. Una come to the big era them. We have influence and people behind them. What about the people them don't have nobody to get the message out there?
Right.
And them something they don't like, man.
Man, I can't believe my eye. Every time, I have to say it every time.
Brother, imagine me every day we wake up in night. Me have a mental strong.
Yeah.
Imagine every day you wake up, your environment look like Haiti.
Actually, look on the gate so I can't even use. So, the crocodile in the water, him no bother, you know?
Depends.
And no animal.
Bring me machete just to be safe.
What to the animal? Because I say the pig them in the water same way.
Yeah, but they far out there sometimes they come in. It depends.
Okay.
You did catch the back of the house?
Oh no, I don't want to go in there yet.
Come on. Come in. See, this is Andrew Hollis. This is my life condition right now. This is my life. See the hurricane, man. Me never see this in my life. This some of the water is from the pan.
Yeah.
You could see. You see the blue one that you know is blue sea.
Yeah.
You could see that right there, I pan water. Look on the pan now. What you see? That water,
Same
right?
color.
That water in the sea. See that the sea come over the house and lick out the window them. And you can see a modern glass window we have. Modern.
Right.
See the sea tear up everything. And it's like, man, me don't know if a Donald Trump or somebody just bomb off the back of the house and the tree collapse. See there?
Oh wait, right. Look at that. It look like it's a flood water there constantly push.
See, come tall on that mansion, brother. I swear to God, me see rise up. And me I say me I go record it, but me I say if me record, me not go dead and me have to run.
Yeah.
Me have a AD, the car flood. Brother, it dramatized, man. See there? See, this is sea water, you know, sea water.
Yeah.
See them here walking a sea water. See them back of the house. Wow. See them? You know, like here, this is a concrete house.
Yeah. Look at that. Look on the back of the house, people. Look at that. I never see this. All my coverage of the safari. I never see that one here before.
See them mother house. Come on. And guys, me don't know if anybody can really help me. I would like some chainsaw. Anybody want to help us in need or some type of support. Me that like fi chop down our
so you
power
can start
saw.
cut down and move out.
The number is 876-474-1535.
Yeah, man, people. So even if you can't give him a chainsaw, come left it with him for a week.
Yes,
and come
please,
back for it the
man.
next week. I'm going to start cleaning up. I'm not going to wait for nobody for start.
No, me can't wait for no government or people. Me have to get my life back together. Find the idea, I know them bring the storm, but them should not give more assistance and reach us to us. Because, yo, you know what? Big up Bolt. You said Bolt, give me some matches where they may have to big up Bolt. Bolt is a real down-to-earth person. For a rich man and a man who's so busy and have so much influence in taking time out and come to Parottee. Andrew, you should do the same. For me know you're not busy like Bolt. Not because you run the country, but Bolt is all over the place. You know what I mean? So, take your time out and come visit us.
Yeah.
See there? And these houses was occupied. In fact, you like you say, you come round here.
Yeah.
These houses was occupied.
Watch your man.
See there? This is what Beryl do. This is what Beryl do to people house on the beach. This is a luxury beach house community. Ask anybody about Parottee.
So, once you mention Pelican bar.
Yeah, Pelican or Pelican.
So, me come in here, sir. I feel like me there paradise.
This coming like a Miami in Jamaica.
Yeah.
But Florida, Miami, this is like the mini version.
Right.
The sea rise taller than that house. See me grandmother, my cousin, my auntie, I swear to God, me not lie. See me family them, I swear
Right,
to God, pa feed them life.
Yeah.
The sea rise up, brother. I'm a fisherman, I'm afraid to go back and see. The
Get
sea
traumatized.
rise. Oh, you mean?
You never know such a flat water like this could have rise up, so.
Brother, see there. It look, I see water will rise over.
Yeah.
And you go by pan.
You want to know, say, me live for the beach, you know. Especially me live in Kingston.
Yeah.
The beach is my backyard, you know.
Yeah, oh, like
Just
this.
like this. But except we have wall and them things. But you see, after I come down here, so, I realize that I don't have no, if it really come to Kingston, I don't have no house.
I category 5 this.
I don't have no house to live in
Jamaica
right now.
and worldwide, a earthquake come to Jamaica and tornado. Me not hide and talk. If you guys don't believe me, that's your belief. But
No, we'll see it for ourselves. Cause
earthquake and tornado come here. From your little pitney, we experienced Gilbert, Ivan.
yeah.
Black house and wall house. You know that. Steel house, no job. Come here again. Let me show you. My neighbor house, 10 bedroom, Airbnb. If you go for Airbnb, you see.
Oh.
And this is a man I force house with solar system here.
Yeah.
Solar. So I don't like a man spend cheap money per house. He spend money.
Yeah.
2 neighbor. Let me show you this. Jamaica, 2 neighbor. House job flat. Me never see this yet. From me a pitney till now. Me can't believe this. The man have a 2-story and then I go extend the 2-story to a 3rd floor.
Yeah.
And the building job flat. See there?
Me not see the building.
See the
Where
building?
the Airbnb there?
See it there? You know, see?
Works. I don't want to sound like me a curse, but backside.
Yes, brother. I have fight in the sea. Me go step on it for you. In the sea to see where rock there. See man house there.
Look
Ask
on black.
anybody.
Look on black when I get used to people.
This was the only Airbnb on this block.
Wait, where Pelican bar there?
It gone.
Oh yeah, tell me say.
It gone, father. Brother,
No.
we are suffer
Hold
round
on.
here. Parottee is a disaster. We
Hold
not
on.
hide it. The
Hold on
place.
there. You come when I say come look for Pelican bar now.
Brother, it gone. It gone. Pelican bar is gone.
No.
Brother, we don't
No.
have, we're not fishing in, we're not bringing no tour, and you know it's no income. Nobody working right now. Everything is on pause. While half of Jamaica go about them life, and we not going to go about our life.
No man. We come here and say I show the people in the comment section and say them want to see Pelican bar.
It job flat.
Them I say them not getting no
Ask
update
anybody if I'm lying. It job flat.
No man. We have to go out there. You have boat?
Yeah, but you have to put engine on something, but we are going to make something work.
We have to go out there.
See them man house?
Look on this. 2-story house this, right? Used to be.
Yes. And then another, I think this was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2 neighbor house.
Yeah.
Job flat. See everybody family grave them. Catch them something everybody
Whoa.
family in this.
People, this is so unreal right now. Show me what going over here so now.
See the man house. You know lie. There's something here. That's why I don't understand. It's like people forget me. See man house here. See half fight. Where wire them here?
They are wire used to depend on him house.
See wire them here.
Yeah.
I see.
It's stuck in our sand. And more construction. Look, I see
Steel,
steel right there, so yeah.
Me on top of half of the man house.
Yeah, man, something cut here, man. Think,
Half of the man house is right here.
yeah. And look at the water calm. You never know it could have do that.
Never. Look, it's a nice house the man build. You can't look on it. All type things. And not like a cheap house the man will build.
Because I know the people in order so them spend for them property. Because
Yeah,
I'm out here already.
They spend. For your beachfront, they spend.
Yeah. Because you make by the return. People love come and a book right out.
Oh.
I'm going step over this. Because this have a look at
What?
that's so just sir?
No man, you're good. You know do it. I from the sea man, a cheap pan. This what left at the man house. Tell me now if you're not mental strong, if you're not go mad. If that happened to you right now, you would have mad?
The lady tell me, your sister, your mother's sister?
Yeah.
She tell me say her husband get a stroke when he hears the house gone.
Yes, because brother, people are lose house. Round here, people are lose car. People are lose house. People are lose boat, engine, seize up.
And nobody get journal.
Yes, one youth. See man house here, yes, man house was. Look. See me now like, see man house here, so.
Yeah.
And look at the other neighbor house. Come, let me show you.
Look at all this. You know how long I see them thing, yeah?
So, man.
I'm probably the person that have this a keep and look at that.
Yeah.
iPod.
Look there. Another house. We never see this yet.
Wow.
2 people house, drop flat.
Flat. And it's concrete house, you know?
Concrete.
And a board house.
No board house, brother.
And a board house. Get that pocket, remember that.
See, it coming like, look. It coming like, when the earthquake come, it start part out the land them, look. Like he eat out the land.
And that me I tell them, man, the way of the place, me think I want bridge and gully there
no,
before.
Man, and people drive we and people backyard. And gate, I think the man gate was right here.
Yeah.
To go in at the back. He normally park in car them at the back.
Yeah.
It's traumatizing, man. See that? The man soul up. The one that have
okay, so the solar panel, one of the solar panel.
no, man, you have more to see. Come.
So a solar panel, I said that one a big. Enough money for that one, yeah.
Man, me confuse what go on in this world.
See all the gate, yeah, sir. The gate.
Nobody a reach out to us. Nobody, no assistant, nothing. See the man that a solar panel here.
Yeah.
See man that a solar panel here.
Gone,
So you
gone,
do say the man a spend. See there, the man have a 2-story house and was stand up strong. You say
Just the gate and the column.
alright.
And if the gate, they have
See
look
where
out.
man, look on the man tile.
One of them toilet base facet right here, sir.
And you know say people come in when you put up Jamaica flag in the ear. See where man flag
And
there?
team flag there. Down on the ground, destroyed.
This man is the only man that grill and do barbecues. Look on the man grill. 1, 2, 3 grill.
Yeah. One of the barbecue grill, the top there right there, sir.
And you know,
And next one over there, sir.
disaster man, a disaster.
What the name again?
Ridge, Captain Ridge.
Captain Ridge.
Some people call me Jacob Miller or Maxi Pre.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Respect for the
Yeah.
for the walkthrough. And yeah, did we do. I go down
Yeah,
some
man,
more.
we are good on some man. We have to tell a story, you know, brother. We there have to tell the right story. You know.
Right.
For this is not a fiction, this is a reality where we are faced day to day.
Yeah.
And yesterday we just get water. Ask your friend how long before he come here. And yesterday we just get water. See
Yeah.
there? And
Oh
yesterday-
yeah, and full up some jump.
Brother, we not tell no lie. This is something me a jack with flat, brother.
Yeah.
Enough of us right now, if you then I can't give we care package, we tell us say we don't want it fat. A beach place we live, but we really lick flat, back
Yeah.
to zero.
Yeah.
So it hard.
Mm-hmm.
See there? I don't know when all of this something rendering sun, you know? rendering sun.
Yeah.
All of this used to be grass. I'm gonna see the grass again. See grass just a come back. See there?
Oh, look at grass a peek through right there, sir. See there?
Me never have sand.
1 month later, and grass just a start peek out through the ground.
Why? Living here is stressful and it's traumatizing because when you look, nothing getting better. Every day is just another day in
Right.
Parottee. We don't see no big leaders or people are reach out or not try to say they want to make a change or build up the place fast or get we back up on track.
Yeah.
You know, that's what we need. We need to be back up on track that we can take care of our family and ourselves.
Right.
And you know, say if financially, if we can't do that, we're going to be in depression and mental.
Yeah. My girl, me come there and I show where I go on. My girl, Fabian, he come down earlier and show where I go on.
Yes.
And we're going to show even more today. So stay tuned for that, people. And if you have made it this far into the video and you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Also, drop a like on the video. That helps support my channel. And remember, if you have anything you can donate, money, material, a chainsaw,
fishing equipment, use our brand new, I appreciate it.
He would appreciate it because I'm ready to start get back active.
Yes, I help my mother, help myself, and help my family.
Right, you know it's hard to sit down and just wait.
Yes.
It's hard to sit down and just wait when they can just take action. You have strength and action you want to take right now. You know, I just wait. I know what that feel like for us today. I wait. Action we want to do right now.
Brother, you see, if sometimes God put some people in some position, it's to help other else people who are less can't help themselves.
Yeah.
This guy never leave with side.
Big up to man like them, yeah. Alright, and you live in the area too?
No, but I come
You come and help out.
Big up and respect, man. Jamaica walk by your record. Yeah, man. Big up, man. I wear him up and keep it. Because these are
That is so
great
nice.
things where people need road.
You know about this time. How them go through this
Big
time?
up to all the general from Altamax and the Godfather himself.
Yeah,
That's why I try to get some dog food
Remember,
for them.
Phoenix Relief.
Big up in
So
team.
big up to the team. Phoenix Relief.
Okay, Phoenix Relief.
Yes,
Alright,
that is
mad.
it. So every make a muckle and this is just perfect. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Look at these people. There's an electric bike. Brand new electric bike, you know. Right here. Where the house drop down from. See there? Everything collapsed right here. This was a house on Airbnb. And I'm gonna find the listing and showing it now. Hopefully we can find it. Anyhow, look at this right here. Hold on. Trying to figure out what is this exactly. Oh, these are solar batteries. This is the battery. Here, we store the energy. So, see there? And these are the most expensive part of the solar, you know. See the people? These are the solar batteries. All destroyed and gone. People, I'm not lie, it's a big loss this. People, hold on there. People, at first I was saying it was people, I now can confirm that here got the hardest hit from Hurricane Melissa. I've been a lot of places since the hurricane, but nowhere is as badly hit as this location. These are Airbnbs, expensive multi-million-dollar houses. All of them, look at it, gone. Look at that pig right there following behind. At least some of the pig them survive. Can only imagine, you know, pig cannot swim. And we can only imagine how them there and I struggle in the water. I try to get here and I try to flee for them life.
Carbon fiber boat and one sheep.
No man, I hold it for mat now, fine.
Father God.
Look at it. Engine and boat. Mash up gone. Look at that.
A Jamaica walk by me. One
Yeah.
house.
On the doorstep. That's on the doorstep right there, so you know. They say normally at night time the tide get higher, just full up at the area.
Even they can get high.
Yeah. So even if you know they pump the water over there, so it come right back from the sea.
Those people can see away.
Yeah. John.
Help one with some dumping mal, you know what I mean?
Yeah, some stone and
Yeah,
mall.
stone and mall.
For get rid of the so the water now have nowhere for full up.
Yeah.
Matcha, solar light, battery generator, all them thing there.
When you said to me, say right round the house with it.
They're not the man, but they're right on the house fire.
Oh wait.
But then when I realize, I really like.
I'm gonna tell you. I risk.
Oh yeah, see it there. Go right on Freeman Fabian. Oh yeah.
Bro, G. Alright, bro.
Go me back.
You can walk around here, sir.
Jeez, and peace. And these are families. They got that. People ever build their structure.
Yeah, right around the house.
Look that one, it almost look like somebody deliberately dig a trench around the house.
Yeah, somebody dig at him. Right around fire. Pure water.
Yeah.
Right round.
Nah man, you sure somebody you sure in a while hurricane go and somebody come dig out this?
No, man.
This too perfect. Ah man.
The water not settle on the inside though.
Yeah, man, it's only like the front room where I'm dropping, you know what I mean? And the back room there.
Look at that, right on the house. I'll see fish in the water so we can see them.
They're on an island right now.
Yeah. You know them medieval days Fabian with the castle and they build a trench around the castle.
Exactly.
And just one bridge to enter.
Some crocodile in there and them thing there.
Yeah. That's how it come like right now.
We really need some help, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so this man, he really want something for dump up at the land. Now we're there. Eh?
The truck, you know?
See all the dirty clothes them where them couldn't use back. Everything. All them have to go burn and throw away. Yeah.
See that? Alright, just you know, I even there now, look more now.
Yeah.
When the wave dash now, they can't even come all the way over.
Yeah.
I want to come down to the back up. Go all the way around, you know what I mean?
And the sea water can't done, you know, so they definitely have to dump up. All this. Watch it, all them back door, Masha Fabian, not there.
What we got on this, I go like black up and then dump up in property so to try keep the water.
Have to dump right up.
Godfather, may I tell you so, if we have to show them.
Yes, man.
Some people them can come in. Look how boy. Big up yourself, you hear
You
that?
really need some help, man. Trust me.
You don't need it.
So when the hurricane are going, only there the house?
No.
Oh, good. Good.
Yeah, that's the good thing. Me really
Yeah.
a lot of
Because
persons
I
actually
take
leave.
care and then we die.
Mm.
And then you have kids and
And
all
your
them
kids
things
are
then.
dead.
You did the right
It
thing.
matter because me not try to save them.
I can assume it,
And me can save everybody because me don't go and can swim. It's matter.
yeah.
Cheese and peace. Me no want me Father God, me couldn't deal with a situation like this. Matter, yo, on a strong differently, you know. I know say someone don't know how strong on the be until in a situation.
I true, man.
What the man name? What your name?
Kemar no one come then still.
Kemar, me I gonna make you give out a number. So we can get persons to reach out to you and your family and personally can support. Because persons out there really want to help and them then use platform like this to see who them can get the help directly.
Yeah.
So give me a number so persons can call you.
Okay, my number is 472.
That's 876 at the front.
Yeah. 876 472 4324 and my name is Kemar. You know what I mean? I really need some help. You know, in this matter because you can see a pure water they one way, you know what I mean? So one by pure water. You know? And my kids them is not safe, you know what I mean? Me and myself either don't safe in a safe. Because even sometimes all crocodile, you know what I mean, they came up sometimes.
Yeah, because the other day I was here one day then at the water, I have to stop and turn back.
Yeah man, because we really need some help with some dumping man. If we can dump around the house, you know what I mean?
Right.
And I really appreciate it.
A mattress.
And mattress.
The wifey
mattress.
on that we want some fresh
Mattress.
mattress.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so me I document all of them something here. Solar lights, Ron also need a generator, a spot and put a Starlink, mall, mattress.
Yeah.
Stuff we sleep on and
man.
you know, detergent and all
really-
of them type of thing there.
We really need dumping man with the stone night. You know what I mean?
Tough, dumping man with stone.
Yeah, dumping man with the stone.
Right.
You know?
So I have to figure out, I have to try. There's you have to get black off first.
Yes, you can block out the sea first, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I really need the help, you know what I mean?
Art I love
Yeah.
me, General. So one more time for your number with the 876.
Okay, so my number is 876-472-4324.
That
And
is
my name
it.
is Kemar, you know what I mean?
Kemar.
Yeah.
Big up and respect, man. And
Alright.
thank you so much.
Yeah,
You
man.
know what I
Alright.
mean? To
Yeah,
talk
man.
to me. Oh my word. Massive. We can't explain how I feel right now. Trust me.
You walk the umbrella favor. And people that start knock up back.
Calm down. Father God now.
Look on this. Can see how the water definitely did come right across. Look on people belongings still over there. So.
See people that cross the food. We just get food.
Oh, in the water,
Yeah,
so,
man,
bro.
go take a video.
Oh, yeah, tell me, say, them a walk across that?
Yeah, them a cross with food, then get the food and go back.
Boom!
World, big up World is food kitchen. World boss, me know see you behind the curtain.
When name
World Food Kitchen.
Yeah.
Come in, man, we go up on the island, you know.
Cheese and peas.
This was a function shop. Fully function.
Yeah.
The road bus out, so the water from over there bus this out.
Yeah.
But we don't have a proper storm drain or outlet for water go back. So this is the damage we cause.
Okay, the shop did it right here, sir.
So everything gone. We never take out no outside. Everything gone. Yeah. This sell where they for $18 million. One guy say lose $18 million. The other guy say a film father own it. See, they got take it away.
Oh, wait,
Two
so
guys.
Whole island gone.
Two guys fighting over one land value $18 million.
I ain't gone now.
But one guy come back say him a go dump you. I don't know why.
But man, oh, see the island there.
Yeah, yeah, look for the fee. This is type of living thing me I tell you now I have peace. Yeah, but the back of the house broke off. Broke off, see him here.
Right now, this is like an island, a mini island.
You know? The
All of this was land.
See all the current wire there.
Yeah, they have to dump up all of this back. All this have to dump up back
Oh,
again.
boy. So, Massive, this is the current
So the wire there,
Deep in
electrical wire.
Parottee.
Deep water that.
So, yeah, you want to show me some people walking in the water. Well, you have to walk in the water and go up on the other side, Massive. We are trying to see if we can go up on the other side.
Yes, man, people. So just a reminder, people, we are in Parottee District, St. Elizabeth, Black River, St. Elizabeth, right?
Yes.
Right.
Charger. No, sucker. Though. Massive, if we don't show me now, then I'm going to see it, you know, so we have to show it. Big up the Randy Brown Foundation. We're in the there right now, but the foundation there, Jamaica, fully tech.
Look on that.
Active out there. And I
That
see
is the
it.
pond. Usually I can't see the pond so easy. Now I can see it.
Come on, from the house. Terrible, man.
Sandy there, right at the end of the road. Right now where I walk, used to be just sand. All of this. But wait, so the road finished, so?
Yeah man, the bus off. Now you have to come with the crooks.
So if I walk through the water with the crook,
Yes.
right, it's fair behind.
So una the only YouTuber ever go make history because nobody else never go night.
Yeah.
That's vlogging. So right now, Andrew, a leader of Jamaica tourists. What the man for tourist name?
Why I mean,
Tourist board.
Yeah, more him come Andrew. More they see. See there, we don't have a road. See where you have to turn off.
Blessed, man.
there's no road here.
No road.
But wait, more look here first.
No, no.
Nice spot. Yeah, man, I am. Yeah, man, boy, I'm glad to say. This
Look on the house.
Like the boy,
Filled with sand. Mash up.
When you can do that, make sure that now.
And then look at these people. This is insane. This is insane right here. This used to be the road. This is no longer a road.
Yes, cool.
The road gone. It's almost as if a bridge. It's almost as if a bridge was here. Look at that, people. And you can see that the water is moving. The water is flowing.
That me a partner talk about.
Look at this. Right, the side finish. Right, the side cut off. And cut off over there, so.
I care house I got drop in.
And what I heard, crocodile is in this water. And we will have to walk right through with the crocodile across.
We just talking about the road.
Yeah.
Yo, give her an interview. Hey.
Waterman, the crocodile.
Hey, give her an interview
I see
about the
the
road.
doctor, man.
Tell them. But they will make some.
Life,
But they man they have link to politicians, so talk man.
touch me now, man. Love.
Yeah,
Take it
man.
easy.
I'm trying to.
No, well, she me catch you right. That's
Yeah.
No, well, me don't go in the water and she say, yo, careful what you're doing, cause crocodile in the water. But now me see some youth just walking right over there, so and go cross.
Yeah, man, you have to know which shot for walk, you know, when you go.
Have to know which shot for walk.
Yeah. You have to walk outside, way outside of it because it's deep. And it be like change go way up. So you have to know where you do.
So we go. Rasta, you know where you in the water?
Yeah, man, we try there. But
Okay.
sometimes when the sea go in and out, it a full more than more. And we need help.
See God for life. No, in the life, me a record though.
I want your record, and right now I'm a politician.
Yes,
But
talk us.
me is a man believe in a politics, but I'm a politician. And this part I go almost a month, or if it's not a month, and they not come fix the place. Me know say Prime Minister no know, you know. And the whole listen no know. So in second would be fly green.
Green.
So
yes.
green no. So I don't know if I neglect or a politics I go on. But they can't leave the place like this, man.
Come with him. I want to get you when you're not.
Florida me live, you know. A Florida me live, and I have to come down and see this, I go and the people my ball down here. Or they line and take away. All I have to do is come back to run make the water stop. Once the water stop, you control the water from the sea to the lake and the lake to the sea.
So block off both sides.
Just block off here so it stop and then I full it up. But temporarily we need it stop so water, because when the water flow back from the ocean, when the tide is high, it start nyam down the
Side them
landscape
again,
again.
get wider and wider.
Yeah, so it's a month now. So this is emergency. This is not like something we can let for how much a month.
Yeah.
See, the house now is starting to have that. The house, when I come the other day, this was okay. So,
See they now?
see that it on the edge.
They will come in 2 years. So
Oh,
Break down again.
just to get wider and wider.
Wider.
And you know, like that the other day. So because when the tide come from the beach now, when the tide get high, you will see water come back in. At night, the tide get low, the water go back out.
Oh, so each time it
The
be
tide come back, you don't more land. This is emergency. This is not something because the phone system is very delicate down here. We don't get no phone system. So you can't get to call the proper
Call,
people.
right. Yeah, me realize so everything for me dead down here.
You
So
understand? So flight green, they're saying good, but this is not somewhere good. And a guy, me watch him over there, overseas, I watch him do. This is the time when you need it here to do something. You can't keep hiding. But the rats, you hide people who need help.
Does it not get worse and
When
worse
you get
every day?
stroke, one side of your body dead. When this road cut off, it's like when you get stroke. So community dead right now cannot now go through it.
true.
Just to get on the other side, you have to go how much miles round just to come back on this side.
yeah.
And because nobody there have to talk, you don't hear nothing about it. The road need fix,
Not even
man.
say talk, for sure.
You know.
That's and to be honest with them, I come down here a couple of times and come do video, I don't come that side here.
Yeah, 'cause you don't know about
I
it.
didn't know. So somebody see me and say, bro, you can go down some more from Parottee Road.
They need to come here,
which
man.
part the road broke off, there are people living, going to the road where it broke off, so you can walk. Go to, I mean,
See the stake them, out there, so see people are passing. You can show it. So
Yeah.
out there, so
And sometimes
one you join this already. I know they don't find the body.
Yeah.
One you join in this already, you know.
Yeah.
By crossing over there, so.
More if you go.
And we're Prime Minister. I know you don't know about it. So I want the Prime Minister to know.
Road need
Mr. Hole this morning, if you know what's going down
Yeah,
here.
they are
Call your MP and tell him to go attend to the people urgently, man. It's serious down here. It's bad down here.
Parottee.
The people them need help down here. They're getting food, they're getting water. That's not what we have problem with now. We have problem with the land being taken away by the water. And without they stop the leakage of the water, it's not gonna stop. It's just gonna eat up the people and property. We need help. The people need help, and because they can't speak for themselves, Them just don't get complaining to themselves and nobody come on and tell. Where is like green? I don't hear almost a week now. I don't see green. I don't even know him. I always see him picture on a fixed road. This is not the time for fix them the road. This is the road we need fixed right now.
In our community.
In our community, Parottee, St. Elizabeth. Today, not tomorrow.
I don't think nowhere in Jamaica got damage like Parottee. I'm not trying to be competition, but you have people houses collapsing. You have people lose them boat, car, engine.
It's hurricane come.
So if my cousin come all the way from overseas and see how we living, you know it's a problem.
From Sunday me come in, and all of me see a man we're responsible for your come here so.
Yeah.
And the people when me come here say them a come all now they can't come.
That's why I tell them say don't be afraid for when persons like me come in here.
I know you I know your program. I watch your program Jamaica a lot when I'm over there. I watch Jamaica work by all the time. I'm glad for no see you there because me can't get my phone for call up and I post these things to make sure say my Prime Minister, which I respect him a lot because I know him do well for the country. But I don't think he know what's going on down here.
And he need to know.
He need to know because Mr. Green know. So get couple public workshops from up Mandeville if they mash up a Black River or higher up. If you come down here and get lots of mall down there so the mall will come out of Black River could have come dump up here.
True.
So don't tell me you don't have truck. You got truck you can borrow from Mandeville because Mandeville don't mash up. Black River mash up, so your truck would be out of service. But get the truck down from Mandeville to come down here and dump up the place so people can live in peace, man. Crocodile in that water, you know?
Yeah.
There's a crocodile in that water. Young kids is around. And you just ignoring the people. Mr. Prime Minister, I know you don't know, but I hope you see this.
That is it.
Send your MP, Mr. Green, to come and get the proper people to come in and fix the place. We need fixes. All right, sir. Thank you for listening.
Thank you so much for speaking, man.
All right. So this is where the water keep breaking off and taking. No, the water keep breaking off here, and all the sand and the dirt is going right back out in here, and then it go right back out even more, all the way into the sea. Because when the tide come in, the water come over. Right now the water is flowing. I can see right here that it's flowing go to that direction, and then down there it's going right out to the sea. So it's constantly bringing dirt and sand out into the sea, which is why the dirt keep on residing. Eventually these houses will collapse because of that, just like what that happened there. So that is what the people were explaining just now. Alright, so right now the bridge is picking up, but we have to walk through the water just to get to the other side. And bear in mind, people, this water is where the crocodile lives. This is the crocodile habitat, and there's more than one of them that lives here. But we have to go through. Today is a day. Today's a day we have to just go in the water.
Tell you how the story go with the guy that go. The guy was crossing the current over here. It's a deep. That's the deep.
Oh yeah, can we realize it a flow go to sea?
Yeah, what we have to come wide.
Oi!
It's like you are going to be challenged. The challenge.
Yeah.
The challenge in the sea. You have to walk wide.
Yo, this hard for walk on people. I never ever would have imagined me coming into this water.
That's the water. It's got peace to walk. That's the peace to walk. You want to come here and look.
I will tell you something that. Yeah, how do I walk so fast? Can't believe me in here, sir. Look at this. The road is over there. No, watch your back, Fabian. Fabian, watch your back. The current there, I can't see it, man. Yeah. Can't mistake this a crocodile, you know. Me not lie, I'm brave still, I never walk through this. But I have to swim through the sea and come on.
No, you weren't. Inside that put sand and we push you up. That's why you don't see nobody across. We don't have a road, we don't have a seaside. You see how we are struggling?
That's why they don't go on it. I mean, I say seaside one would be easy.
Ca-
First day after the hurricane, me never knew. Me walk another machine to save my life. Me have to sticky. My current so strong.
Yeah.
Me build back up my energy. And then start call again. So me have to stamp it. And take time move in the sea.
Out of all the things I got through, man.
What? I tell myself.
Only cushion for it.
Right now, me have to live till see all 87 or 80. If me right now live and overcome the hurricane, me can't dead right now. For the hurricane alone, it'll kill me. For you see how me surrounded by water, so water in the front, water in the back.
What's the location with it?
Dangerous, man. See there. See, you see a black mark?
Yeah.
You drown. You
Oh, a black man there can.
Yes.
Oh, that's why they dig out.
You
They
could
can
have
see.
died like a light post, you lose your life.
Yeah. The darker area right there, I can
It's
see it.
dangerous, man. See?
You see the dog. Oh, that's why.
Yeah. Because even the alligator and crocodile, they never know when they might attack you. Put them and look for same way. So you can't blame them.
Yo.
The life here, man, is very stressful and depressing because day to day you wake up, you know, it's not getting better.
Boy, Fabian, I always put myself in at first, me I do them thing, a journalist life, this, you know.
Journalists, I tell you.
But if you not do it, as I said, cause no other person, nobody else now come here, nobody else now come in a water like this.
Somebody take off the map. We Parottee beach off of the map. See there. Let me show you.
Oh, the black spot, the darker spot.
You're good.
You're good. You see? Look here. Mash it. Look.
Whoa, what? Yo!
Be careful.
You see that? So now I understand what you say now.
Right now we turn up, you didn't see now. Watch it, you see that?
Yeah.
Whoa, kid.
It's dangerous, man. Right. You see if you don't
Yo,
love the beach,
Fabian. It's a different level I can't take
living
this.
down here, you have to love it. Because mentally, if you get frustrated, you just pack up and leave.
Yeah.
So you have to love where you grew up. To stay here, even if it's hard and depressive and trauma time, and because the hurricane, you know, make your spirit up, but at the same time, you have to give thanks for. We not did it for there, but we there here.
Right.
Because if you look on it, we have water here, water over there. So you look at the maths and the reality.
No, we don't know what the thing now. Now we have to walk back through this and go back around.
Yeah. Hey.
The journey never done. That's why we say the sooner these big politicians build back the road, the better we life can get on with.
Because this not fair. I don't think nobody fear walk through some.
Little pitney walking it, young, old, little pitney.
And Fabian, we think that which way we come from a while ago, you know?
Did rough.
Did rough.
No, this rough.
Them also walk through a road with water, you know. They need help too, you know. But this a different level. This is a swamp. Me I walk through with crocodile in it.
The pigeon birds over there. I don't know if one of the crocodiles is inside it.
Them dead.
You have to show them this side. You have to show them. I want everybody see what's going on, you know.
If I rain and fall, you know, right now, and we sit in the house and cover the camera car, we don't have to we are sure what one.
Boy, it's hard, man, it's hard. This is a life, man. I would wish this are the worst enemy. Me not lie to you.
Right.
That's even the worst enemy. Me don't want nobody experience what we are experiencing in Parottee. Honestly to God, I wouldn't want to wish this for nobody.
Right.
But if you're not mentally strong, you won't. You can't. It's like cities are the survival in the jungle right now.
And not even say that. Well, that too, but you have to just lucky.
Lucky.
You have to just lucky, because anything can happen right now.
Look for a big house, tear up.
Yeah. Roofless.
Tell you, people bar, tear up. Nobody see it, from rich to poor. Nobody see it. See the bush them coming like with what place name in a foreign California.
Everglades, the Florida Everglades.
Everglades, yeah. Look, I just know They probably get one little.
I see two leaf a grow back. Just now, 1 month later.
Keep the birds, we are walk with birds, see birds.
You know the water with the birds them.
Even the bird that hunt seafood.
Yeah.
This is all the zinc that came off of my cousin's house. Look at the house now. This is my auntie's shop and the zinc gone.
Yeah.
That's my auntie's house, the whole stop gone.
But everything are echoing in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, they echoing in the house. That's social, everything gone for real.
They gone.
Alright, so
This
we have
is the
finally
other side.
made it to the next side. Look at this. Look at this much zinc piled up right here. Rain is falling.
Disaster.
The rain not stop where.
This used to be full with cheese. It's like the earthquake open it, we have walkway.
Yeah.
It's a disaster, man.
Alright. What for shelter somewhere for you, man?
Yeah, man, you come to some, man.
Alright. I get a little shelter. So the device, now water not going on the mic. Because if water going on the mic, can't go here.
This is beach, son.
Beat sun.
All of this.
Yeah.
Yesterday we did our own community clean up, so that's why it does not look that bad. Because yesterday we said we have to start clean up.
Can't only imagine.
Yes, sir.
Water boat full of water.
Boy, water going right?
I mean,
Yeah, no fear,
Deeper
man.
than me think.
I look how you prepare.
Yeah, take that, man. There you go.
we can't shelter yourself, you know.
Alright, people, so the rain has finally finished falling. And then now, I forget the name already. You know?
Ridge, Captain
Ridge, Captain.
I call me Jacob, call me Maxi Free.
Maxi Pre.
Pre.
Captain Ridge
Tess.
Maxi Pre. So right now,
Jacob Miller.
so the rain just done for people. Our outside back again. So Maxi Ridge, I go show me him boat. Where we usually use on the
He
tours.
fly over the house here, believe it or not, he fly over this here house
See
here.
there?
I end up right there, so where the gravel is there.
Yeah.
This the damage. Me don't know, me still surprised he never bust all the way for this the damage.
Yeah, okay.
Just
Alright.
use it, start use it about 5 months, 6 months.
Yeah. Oh, so a new boat.
Yeah, brand new.
Yeah,
Brand
Tijano.
new boat. Me have a 75 on it.
Yeah.
And him side bust out, but when me see other people go through, me have to give thanks. So
Yeah.
people boat is like sardine, like 3 other guy boat right now. And
Crush up. Yeah.
like not sardines, like sandwich
Okay.
on top of each other.
Yeah. At least I know, say in due time I can start work back points and get
Honey,
up
yeah.
and running again.
Up and running again. Either the Pelican bar or go Forsea
Yeah.
fishing for. He's a young man in Jamaica. If you stay in the right part, you have to either entrepreneur or work for yourself to make a living. If if you not work for yourself, I'm gonna go pay you if you work for Fame Gym. So
Yeah.
Me
I
I
actually work for your own.
yeah. This is a family yard. This is my family, my uncle yard. This
Alright.
is my auntie them. Let me show you when me park the boat. This is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna show you when me tie the boat up to and make it. This is an engine. You see those big boat?
Yeah.
That's the crankshaft in one of the engine.
Where you tell me say?
Yeah, so the boat did park. Me park
That
the
come
boat.
out of the boat?
Me have the boat tied to it, so me confused the next Monday morning the boat was in front of the gate.
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
See there is a big crankshaft that come up. It take like 7 of us to lift it up. I just saw me tie the boat
Yeah.
on the side and the boat come over the house and land long way.
In front of the house.
The tornado pick you up.
Yeah, I did. Nah, like that.
See rope them and everything. I just saw me the tie.
Yeah.
And see rope on it. See me not lying, the rope on it. I want a big heavy crankshaft.
Yeah. No man. Hey, that's
All
a
of it, this used to be fence.
yeah.
Fence.
Look for another pig here. A pig here foot sick. But wait, now for cut that off him foot, man.
Yeah.
Cause him foot swell up, man. Pig here maga. But him not have no food to eat. Not have no food to eat. And thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Me a third generation.
So, October 31st, couple days after I started, as I said, the breaking the road separate families, you know. So, Teddy, who lived on the other side of the break, him the day here survive and say my good on my yard.
I say him name Teddy?
Yeah man. Shakin, what Teddy government name be? Shemar Salmon. So Shemar Salmon lived down the road. Then I left from yourself to go across. And him falling in one of the sinkhole that I mentioned.
That's the one that I talked to in the interview. Say we should say we're deep.
Yeah, exactly. And the water and get caught in the current, and we haven't seen him since. At the time, there was an attempt to rescue him, right? So people that try show something to him, catch on to.
Oh, so that me just go ask a person actually see him when him there.
People see him and actually try to rescue him, and then fail to rescue him, and then see him go under. That was October 31st. So that's,
I thought basically 1 month later.
yeah, do the maths. Alright. So 1 month past now.
So
it was reported same day.
Right, that's in our water there.
Right, that's in the same water we just crossed.
So you see water when we walking in fall the night and
yeah, exactly.
Me have to come back with the drone, you know.
Yeah. So
you have to come back with the drone.
Yeah, that was reported the same day. Since then, I mean, it's hard to say what has happened because there wasn't search conducted. Fair enough, it was immediately after the storm, so the emergency services never have them thing together. But at the same time, that's a missing person report where there's a clear story on how the death could have occurred, and there's clear story on where the body could be. But at the same time, there's been no action. There is no sort of response. For the past week, the family been a get word that the JDF will come through if we come do a search. And every day we're there, every vehicle was to pass, we say, oh, I must them this. No action whatsoever.
so 1 month now, the man then at the water, go under, nobody not see him back in front of people report this, everything.
People report it. And it's almost as if it's...
And it's the same water where people are walking right now if we go across.
And that is not, there's other cases of people falling in and then manage to swim.
They come out.
Right? So the fact say the road break happened, that the ability for access is one thing, but there is also a safety aspect to it. And people lose life, there has been life lost already. And it's almost as if the government has say somebody else have to dead for them come do something. You understand?
Jeez,
like it's almost as if one away if I go fake a death down there to get little attention to it. What am I wait pan?
And somebody life lost already.
Yes, there has been a life lost already. And people fall in already and they manage to save themselves.
And massive, that's where we are going to walk back to go on the other side because the road broke off.
Exactly. And you know what I'm going to say? Well, don't cross it. But me just tell you so the alternative is a 45 minutes.
Yeah, and we just park right there, so beyond the part it broke off.
So we're not going to
go this way.
Go walk around the road.
We can't do that.
Exactly.
Heart of love, and thank you so much for sharing this. You understand, bro G?
Never done sit well with the straight.
Yeah man, people, so I definitely would have to come back with my underwater drone to see if I can lend some assistance in searching for that person. You know, the body of water there right there, so I don't know if it's clear enough, but I give it a try, you know. You never know. We might actually help if we can find out the person's body and that can bring a closure to him family. How far him live?
Down the road.
Down the side. So may I say Fabian, maybe I could have come back with my underwater drone and see if we can search the body of water down there.
Yes.
Oh, if you see if
me I want to make you tell him, mother. Me I want to make him tell him, mother. This side he was crossing to get over there.
So you know who did see man I try help him?
Yeah, my cousin Naji. They try to help him. But I'm nearby, you know, and me and him grew up together. We was like it was three of us.
How about how old him be?
Him about 24, me about 28. For all that we grew up together. We used to play football and play cricket over there with the same cousin car. All of we grew up together.
Yeah.
It was 3 of us as young youth, like running around. So everybody else was more elder or older than us. So it hurt me, you know. A lot of things me I tell you, say, I go on when not really depend on the news and in the media. And we as human, we have to be mental strong because if we depressed, we just gonna get worse. And if we think about then something, it's tragic.
I can't remember this thing. Watch it. Gee,
And look, this is a lady house from overseas. It collapsed.
Yeah. Yeah, man, them out there now, you know.
People say, everybody say, some people feel like his body is trapped underneath that blue.
Right now, whole mosquito out there now. Why? Why? No. It's not too much mosquito. People have to end the video right there, but quick, real fast. I'm going to show you where the person drowned. No, man, not too much mosquito there. So. Fabian, you have to hold this in your pocket there. I'm going to put them in my pocket. Because I have to need them two on there right now.
Come this way, man.
No, sir.
Yeah, that me I try to tell him. He reach in the middle, and then when he get there, something like.
Hold on, start over. Start over.
Cut it.
Hold on.
Good man.
Alright. So, he was trying to cross over to get on the side. We was.
Yeah.
So, I feel like in book bag when he pull, he wash him right underneath.
So when
here
you walk round there, sir?
Round there, so. But through the part where me show you, a lot of us never knew that part broke off.
That part.
Yeah.
No, around 10 mosquitoes in there.
Me know, me see it.
You kill it?
Yeah.
Look in your hand.
Oh my God. Me used to it, you know, sometimes me can't feel them. Me not like to you.
Jesus. You understand?
Oh man.
So,
we can't see us.
We feel like the current was because now if you look at the current is pushing in, but at the time it was rising, it pushing out.
Okay.
So, and that's the family house. That the lady in the red, that's her house right here.
That used to be her house.
Yes, used to be her house.
Because if you have massive, see how more grave over here, so family flat there right now.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, this water is deep and me hopefully I have a look of visibility when I come with the drone. I can, but I try, you know, it's not going to be a failure than a trial. So, I come back, put the drone in the water, hopefully not get it stuck, and see if we can search the water and see if we can find the person's body. Bring some closure to the family. So people, make me know in the comments if you don't want to see that. Or maybe that will be too much to record on camera. I don't know if that's too sad, but you know, and give it a try. Look at that, people bedded. People bedded.
That's why I said people out here is like hating. People lose them house, or lose where they relieve them. Look at that house about to collapse. Look.
Oh yeah, that's too far off another thing.
That's why I said.
And that's why the water need to block off as soon as possible so then
that's
could
why
get saved.
we need some type of government. We keep saying the same thing. How much months we need people to come and do some action. We need action. Me feel like me a suffer. I don't ever feel like I live in Jamaica no more. Because we don't have no road. And sometimes when the things them come, we try to go get it and it's so late because we don't have a road.
This house, it take away all of this. Massive.
And Jamaica and people need house. People need somewhere. And have a week cast this is the storm. You need to come to Parottee. Come out of the AC, man. This a real life. This traumatized me. I don't want young people or young kids that's 5-year-old, 10-year-old growing up in this. Then something that will traumatize them. Then I will have no childhood memory because everything is gone.
Stay away, brother. Come on, say,
you can see. You can see out here, so that is where the this is a new part where the where the pond meets the sea. Right now it behave like a pond. Sorry, it behave like a river because the water is constantly flowing out into the sea and the sea is constantly coming in to the pond. So it's like a never ending thing, you know? And just as them say, there's somebody body still in this water as we speak. There's somebody dead body is still in this water underneath as we speak. somewhere here trapped. So when you can see how serious this be right now. As I say, I try to come back with my underwater drone. I have a new one that's coming in soon. I'll come back and try see if we can do a search and rescue or search and found. Yeah. Which part we are going now?
The quicksand, we just want to show you the quicksand.
Oh yeah.
We don't have a road to walk.
Yeah man, this is why
We don't have a beach, we don't have a beach to walk because the quicksand.
Yeah.
If you go in that, you still could lose your life. So we don't have a road, we don't have a proper beach to walk on.
So this means that maybe we could have walked down and stuff.
Yeah.
No, impossible. You lose your life quicker than in over there.
Yeah man, Fabian. So you tell me say we really think so we could have walked through this, Fabian?
Look on the little stone to right, yes sir.
Yeah man. You say it look black, you can tell it's deep.
Yeah. I said that's large.
A danger zone.
Danger zone. So this is why we have to walk right through the pond. The pond dangerous, but the pond more safer right now than the crosses. And when you walk across, you can't submerge your entire body just to cross over the sun.
No, bro. That's why we keep saying we need help, and we need help fast.
Wait, I want to coach that.
Be careful. But that berry, man, that's berry. Don't care if you want to shovel it, the berry.
Look at this, people. Here is a couch right here. Fully buried into the water. Fully buried. See there? No good again. Anyways, people, Pelican Bar used to be somewhere out there. And it is no more. Today's mission was to get to Pelican Bar and show you guys what Pelican Bar looks like. But they completely forget for showing a guy. Sorry. But they completely forget for making you know the reason I'm there was a part of a show the entire environment right here, so also get to Pelican Bar. Because the people in the comments was asking about Pelican Bar. I was alright, we need to reach it today. But I show the environment and reach a Pelican Bar. But here it is. There's none. Makes no sense we jump on a boat to go out there when there's none. It's flat. It's gone. It is no more. Sad. But he have plans to rebuild, right?
Yeah, my plan. He already started to take up some board and I go buy a new one.
Good news. Flied. Flied already have plans to build back in bar. So I guess I don't know how long him taking about. I know say soon enough he must start build back in bar, which is good. And we are going there for showing everything. So I know when people come back here. Yeah.
So I this one go on, man. It's dangerous. Down here.
Alright, so we're going to walk through that little part here and reach back into the water. The most scariest part of today's journey. Going through the swamp. Whoa! Be a mosquito!
I just started getting out of the water, then gone. So we're back for the journey now.
People, we are back inside the lake.
Why? No, what's going?
Oh, so hold on, what look a store there? What look a store there?
Eh?
Wait pound there. They must have a group up, you know. Alright people, so may I wrap up the video right now.
No, it's a Parottee boat.
People,
That's true.
the video has come to an end. I'm going to still take on walk. I'm still showing us walking right through, you know, and show us how we get back safe. But I'm making you know so the video come to an end. But it's for go down even more and showing them more houses and more stuff and talk to more people. But the day is coming to an end. And we definitely cannot walk in the water any later than this. Especially the fact that there's a lot of mosquitoes and there's about 2 crocodiles living in this water right now. So yeah. So those people, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe People, you see, you will see the journey that we are on. You will see the water that we are in to bring forward content like this. And this content is not free. Sorry. And this content is not easy to do, people. So please support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. I appreciate it. Also, if you want to support the channel in any other way, I have an Amazon wish list. You can check it out and get me anything from the wish list. Nothing expensive is there, people. So, yeah. So, let's go and watch. Go and watch and take in the journey going back. I have to walk a bit slower because I have on Crocs and I can't afford to get it stuck in the water. Over here is deeper. This is the guidelines that we have to follow. This is the guideline that people set so we can follow without falling into a crater that's in the ground. So people, this is one more reason why whenever I post a video, do not skip. Because I never know what you're going to see. Every time I go out, I try to film something new and try to cover different sides and areas of Jamaica. This one is definitely on a next level. I never thought I would see myself in this water here. I come here 2 times already, 3 times already, and I always to the pond. And I never think that one day I would be in the pond walking. Never. Yeah, the man them walk on left me, sir. I can't walk fast tonight. Yes, people, and over there, a lot of people, a lot of things from people's house is over there, like washing machine, fridge, bed, board, zinc. You name it, it's over there in the pile of mangroves, floating. Well, not floating, floating on top of it. Right there, there's a zinc right there. Oh yeah, how I go on?
That's sure.
I lie, you tell. So you say used to be land?
Yeah. So look now, you see now? This is the pond. Yeah, this different. This is the pond, the mud.
Yeah, the silt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I make it.
It's like the people them house wash to the pond.
Yo, I'm not lie. Every time I step, so let me hear something behind me. Every time I step, it's like me I hear something behind me. Creeping up. The fear is real right now, people. Here you have a boat. All right, we have successfully made it across the pond. We are now safe from crocodiles or crocodile. All thing now is just the mosquitoes. We are not safe, not yet safe from them.
I even can put you over here, so I put you down, you know, down there. So. I want to care about 3 months going yard. So, let one on this. Yeah, when that come here to come go and play.
Alright, people, so that's a wrap. That's all for today's video, people. If you have made it to the end, comment that. So much people make it at the end of the video. If you have made it to the end of the video, let me know. And give a comment, a thumbs up and a heart. Yeah. Respect to the people that always come in the comment section and talk to me and show them support. Respect to them so no. I try to answer as many comments as possible, but you know, I work for them. Alright. That's a wrap.